और जनाब, तुम्हारा तो प्रमोशन हो गया है, क्या चल रहा है?
मेरा तो चैट जीपीटी और एआई टूल चल रहा है।
ये यूज करके तुम्हारा प्रमोशन हो गया है?
हाँ,
मुझे भी सिखा सकते हो?
एब्सोल्युटली आई कैन।
Do you also want to sound like Joe Rogan, Barack Obama, Andrew Tate, or any other famous personality or any famous cartoon character? Well, this is the right video for you because that is what I am going to teach you all. And to do that, we'll not be using any audio production software or any big softwares. So we'll be just using an AI software to do the same thing. So the software what we are going to use is voice.ai. And ahead in this video, I am going to teach you how to download the software, how to use the software, and how to make your voice sound like these famous personality. So stick to the end of the video and there would be a lot of information that you will be getting through this video. And before starting the video, I just want to say that if you feel that you want to learn more about AI, ChatGPT or MS Office with AI and ChatGPT, we have a live workshop that is going on and that is available for 9 rupees. More details would be given ahead in the video. So stick to the end of the video for the details and for the information regarding the AI. So let's start the video. And the first step is to visit the website voice.ai. So when you will open the website voice.ai, there would be an option where you can just click directly on get started for free. Just click on that and it will show you that your download is starting. And for that you just need to see that your download would be happening here. And if you see, I have already downloaded the file and just tap on this and then install the software in your PC or your laptop. So it will take a little time. Till then you can enjoy, have a cup of coffee and come back, but stick to the end of the video because then only you will learn though. So it's showing me that 2 minutes are remaining, but let's wait till it happens. Or we can just fast forward it using the technology of editing. So now if you see, we have these options where you have record mode and also live mode. So if you click on live mode, your voice will go into the system and that would be changing, and that is also not pretty accurate, but still you get the hint of it how it can be done. So if you see, I have got 5,000 coins of credits and we can use it. So just click to switch voice, and now if we want to do the impression of, let's take what, so we will do the impression of Mr. Beast. Consume around 4600 credits, so like you can do it for once, or also if we want we can do the impression of, we'll do the impression of Mr. Beast. So just click on train. Now it will ask you to train high quality for 4600 credits, but that is how I know these coins would be a lot, but you can earn these coins by referring this app to other people or your friends and families. So you can also do that same, but we are using it for the trial, so I'll just show you how it's done. Just click on train, so it will be training the sample for you. And now if you want to listen the sample, it would sound something like this.
This is a standardized audio sample to demonstrate voice stability and tone without any voice acting.
So now if you see, there has been a success notification in front of us, that is voice training finished for Mr. Beast, and now we can directly use this. So click on use, will be initializing. So to use the input, we'll use the microphone and we'll just click on record. So hey guys, welcome back to the Mr. Beast channel, and today we are going to give away 4 Lamborghinis. So that is a sample what I have done, and now it's converting and it's processed.
Hey guys, welcome back to the Mr. Beast channel, and today we are going to give away 4 Lamborghinis.
Voice.ai.
So let's try once more time. So let's try it. It's showing that just click to record. So we'll click to record. So hey guys, welcome back to Mr. Beast channel, and today we are going to give away 4 Lamborghinis to the people who would like this video and also comment on this video and subscribe to the channel. So let's do this. So it's converting, if you see on the panel.
Correct one. So hey guys, welcome back to Mr. Beast channel, and today we are going to give away 4 Lamborghinis to the people who would like this video and also comment on this video and subscribe to the channel.
So you can also do the live mode where you just click on start and it will like make your live transcription into Mr. Beast voice. So guys, if you have reached till here in the video, I believe that you are really liking the video. And if you are liking this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. And also if you want to learn more about AI, ChatGPT or MS Office with AI and ChatGPT, you can just go to our live masterclass that is just available for 9 rupees. And I believe that would be the best way to spend your 9 rupees. So if you attend this masterclass, don't worry. You will be given information that also by 2 alumni of IIT Kharagpur, and I believe that information would really help you in your career, in your learnings and everything what you do into your day-to-day life, because these are the AI tricks that will really help you ahead in the future. And the link is in the description if you want to attend the live workshop. And so hey guys, welcome back to the channel of Be10x, where AI and ChatGPT classes are taught to you. There would be a little of, let me close it. So there would be a little of this surrounding noise that would be there. So if you see there, so there would be a little of this surrounding noise that will be there in the audio, because there is also a fan working while I am recording the video using the mic. But then if you see, there's a lot of capability of this AI, because the more you train this AI, the more better the sound will sound of the same character. And if you also see, there's also like an option of earn 5,000 credits by inviting friends. So more the number of friends you will invite, the more tries you will get, and the more kind of voices you can generate it, and the more type of voices you can generate for yourself with using your voice either in the record mode or on the live mode. And that is how you can use AI generated voices using your own sound. And that was just an example for you. You can explore this AI and work more. And if you do create a really good voice for yourself, do let us know in the comments. And that is it for this video. And this is how you can make your voice sound like these famous personalities, and you don't need to work by any means with your throat or anything. AI will do all the work for you. So if you like the information given in the video, don't forget to like the video, drop a comment if you have any doubts, and don't forget to subscribe Be10x. And also remember, there is a live workshop that you can attend just for 9 rupees, and the link would be in the description. So see you in the next video. Until then, bye bye.